What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nivelation123 and today we are here to do an unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 6. Now before we start unboxing this watch, I just want to say something. It has officially been 5 years of Nivelation123 and we have come so far from gaming videos to unboxing videos. So I want to give you a big thank you to those who have been watching me for the last 5 years. And without further ado, let's open this box. Okay, so before we open this box, let's just see what's around this box. So we have the name of the Galaxy Watch 6, and as you can see we have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. Now keep in mind that this is the one with the Bluetooth version. It doesn't have data, LTE. There are two models, Bluetooth and LTE. I chose the Bluetooth because it's cheaper. You don't have to spend more money for a feature you're not going to use anyway. So that's why I chose Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. And you need to have a smartphone that's running Android 10 or higher and 1.5 gigabytes memory above. I think what they're referring to the memory is that they're referring the 1.5 gigabytes to the RAM. 1.5 gigabytes of storage doesn't exist in 2024. Maybe they're talking about RAM. It should be RAM. And yeah, it's on. This was made in Vietnam. And okay, without further ado, let's open this box. Okay, let's open this box. As you can see, we have a box within a box. Very genius of Samsung. Let's put this aside. Now let's open this. We have a quick start guide which is in several languages. I think this is the cable. You know what this charger reminds me of? Remember that Series 4 we unboxed 5 years ago? Except that this is in a black color, not a white color. Imagine if the Apple Watch works on there. I have to test this out after I unbox the watch. So let's set this aside. There's a special one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And here we have the main event itself. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. I'm going to say that phrase, I have not said that for 5 years. In its glory. Okay, now we have admired the watch. Let's set this up. Okay, let's turn this on. First, boot up. As you can see, the Watch 6 is starting up. It'll take a little bit to start up. Okay, it says Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. Let's bring it closer to you guys. It's taking a long time to start up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so English, yes. Okay, it says select country or region. Singapore, restart. Okay, so I guess it's going to do some localization or something. This is going to be my first time using a Galaxy Watch because previously I've used Fitbit. So this is going to be a new experience for me. Oh, I was wondering why did you shut off just now? Then I realized it was restarting. But as I said, this is going to be my first time using a Galaxy Watch, because previously all my devices, all my the watches that I used, smartwatches that I used previously, has been Fitbit. So I'm going to be using for the first time a Samsung Galaxy Watch with a Samsung phone. And for some reason the iPhone doesn't like the screen of the Galaxy Watch. Okay, maybe if I put it like this, maybe it'll be fine. Yeah, you can see clearly, right? Okay, there we go. Welcome. Nice animation there. Install the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Okay, so let's start the process of actually pairing this Galaxy Watch 6 to this S23 Ultra. So I'm in the wearable app right now and add new device. As you can see, Galaxy Watch 6. I'm going to press that. Check the number. Yep, confirm. It's going to download the software. And on the watch it says check your phone to complete setup. So what happens is it's going to download the software for the watch onto the phone, because the phone don't know what this is. So it's going to download the software from the Samsung server and put it on this phone so that I can communicate with it clearly. For review, okay, this is all the regulatory information. Continue. Yes. Now. Okay. So it's going to get my watch ready. This might take a few minutes. So previously when I pair the Galaxy Buds 2 and the Buds 2 Pro, it'll always say something like downloading software. That's because it needs to get the software then to effectively communicate with the device, like the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, for noise cancellation effects. So I was going to get my Google account info, because this is a Wear OS watch, so it needs the Google account obviously. It said it might take a few minutes. We shall see. This is taking quite a long time though, because when we connect the Buds 2 Pro to iPhone, right, it doesn't have the software to use the noise cancellation feature. So when we pair it to a Samsung device, then it'll be effective, and then the Samsung device can just download the software from the Samsung server, and then it can use noise cancellation effectively. No Google account to add. I mean, it's not important though. Maybe we should try again. So as I was saying, the iPhone don't know how to communicate with the Buds 2 Pro, but the Samsung device knows how to do that. Oh, sign in to your Google account. Continue. Signing in. This could take about a minute. Similarly, what is happening with the watch, the S23 Ultra here is just downloaded the software needed to communicate with the Watch 6 so that I can use it properly. Checking for Google Play. This may take a moment. Okay, so as you can see here, it says install on your devices. So whatever is installed on my phone, I can use it on my watch, but only certain apps. So like these: WhatsApp, Spotify, Strava, and SoundCloud. And recommended for watches if you want, which I'm not going to do that right now. So let's continue. Automatic watch backup. Yeah, I mean, it's always good to back up once in a while. Now checking for smart switch on your watch. Now I'm wearing this on my left. It's on this. Yeah, it's fine. It's very important. finishing up. This might take a few minutes, so I can actually track my sleep with this. Wow. And I can also track my exercise, my heart rate, and my blood oxygen. I'm not sure if this model has that. Okay, enjoy your watch. You're all set. There we go. You're all set. It's yours. Starting. Okay. Okay, let's see what we have here. So, monitor your heart health quickly and easily. Install Samsung. I'll do that later. We can customize your watch faces over here. So here are some of the watch faces that we can use. We can customize it effectively. And we can also choose which apps we want, as you can see here. Oh, take a tour of your watch. Start. Open menu. There we go. So you can just swipe over there, and you can record your ECG on your watch. You can measure the blood pressure on your watch, and the weather, body composition, sleep. I can track your sleep using this, and your daily activity, tips, update, yeah. And that's pretty much about it, as you can see here. Okay, so it's a 40mm watch. It's a sapphire crystal screen, and this was made in Vietnam. On the Galaxy Watch 6 Active, you can use the slider, you know, like in the old watch, the Rolex all. You can use it to select your applications, but this model doesn't have that. You just two buttons. So that's a nice watch face. So where was I? Okay. So we have a quick panel over here, NFC. We can use that to add my bank card inside here. Just save that. Tiles. And we also have a Find My Watch, which means if you lose your watch, you can find it somehow using this phone. So once you sound your watch on the phone, right, you can hear your, like, let's test it out. There you go. So what I just did, I pressed Find My Watch, and if the watch is near, then it will play a sound and a vibration. So it's really effective. If I misplace my watch, I can effectively find this, no problem. Save the tips and user manual, watch settings, applications. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. My first experience with Galaxy Watch software. I mean, I hope the experience will be great, because for past few years Fitbit is not really producing great watches anymore, and I thought, because I have a Samsung device, right, why not buy a Samsung watch? Some of the color is matching. So maybe if I buy a Samsung watch, I can have easier. With the Apple Watch and the iPhone, I can easily integrate the information, but with Fitbit we can't do that. Now that I have a Samsung watch, I can easily integrate the software, the information, and transfer it to here, and vice versa. So I hope the experience will be good. Let's end the video. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve on my video below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.